Welcome, dear students. Today now I am taking a class Business Studies, class 11. First chapter, topics, characteristics of business activities. Topics, characteristics of business activities. Characteristics of business activity. Now I already calculated the previous class done. What is business activity, what is economic activities, and it is a procedure. Now already 2 points I discussed. Aims of economic activities. Now number one, aim of economic activity. Aim of economic activity. Now these points are already discussed. Number 2, production and procurement of goods. Production and procurement of goods. Production and procurement of goods and services. Goods and services. Okay. Now this point already discussed. Now third point, sale of exchange of goods and services. Sale of exchange of goods and services. Sale of exchange of goods and services. So what is sale of exchange of goods and services? The good of directly or indirectly, all the business directly and indirectly, all the business activity related to the transfer of exchange of goods and services, related to the transfer of exchange on goods and transfer of exchange on goods and services. Transfer of exchange of goods and services. Transfer exchange of goods and services for value. The sale of exchange means directly, indirectly, all the business activity, all the business concern related transfer to the exchange of goods and services for value. The related goods and services means now any goods are produced and now it is sell them. Now or it is the charge them or it is sold out and to earn the money. This is the exchange of goods and services. Now you can now provide the service to the others. Now you get earn money. This is the service. If the produced goods are personal consumptions, it cannot be business activities. Now you can goods produce and for personal purposes. It is not a business activity. Business activity always create a service provided by the others and earn money. Now you can earn money. Now it is a business activity. Now you cannot earn money. Now it is not a business activity. Example. Now housewife cooking a food for his family. It is not a business activity. Now housewife cooking a food is for own purpose, for personal purpose. But housewife cooking a food and provided to the restaurant and to charge them, this is the activity. This is the business activity. Clear? What is the business activity? The business activity is directly or indirectly related to the business. So when business is involved, then we will relate it to the money. Now the exchange to the service, exchange to the provided, related to the money, and exchange transfer the goods provided or services. Goods provided or services means you provide them. Now doctors provide the service. And now you taking a fees. This is the business. But you doctor provide a service for for the in pandemic situation. You not getting a fee. This is not a business activity. Okay, clear? Fourth point. Fourth point. Dealing in goods for in regular service. Dealing in goods for in regular service. Business involves dealing a goods or services on a regular and recurring basis. Business involves dealing a goods in regular service. Business involves dealing a goods in a regular service and recurring service and recurring basis. Recurring basis. One single transaction, recurring basis, not a single basis, or single purchase, not a single basis or not a single purchase or sale to them. The business involves dealing goods in regular service and recurring basis. Regular service and recurring basis, not a single basis, a single purchase, sale of them. What is the meaning? Now, for example, if a person sell his any domestic product, any person sell his product for sale in any person sell his for domestic product, anyone. Now you get a money. Now you can sell your old radio set or old TV set to the other party. And now you get a money. This is not a business. When your domestic product sell out or exchange to others. But you sell a product in your house or in your shop to the recurring basis, to the regular basis, and through earn a profit, then you can call it a business. Now I conclude that the business is not a single purpose. Now it is a regular basis. Now it is a regular basis or recurring basis. So anything you can good purchase or source regular basis and earn the money, it is called business. The dealing of the goods, regular service and recurring basis, not a single basis. Not a single basis means you can goods sold or purchase to others, only one. Now your domestic product sold out to others and get a money, or domestic product, domestic radio sets or TV sets exchange to others. It is not a business, but your domestic product sell your shop or domestic on regular basis and to earn a money, it is called a business. Now we conclude that the dealing in goods in a regular service, it is the main objective of the business activities. Okay? Clear? Thank you so much.